This is Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. The video I put out last one showing rabbit nesting and how each rabbit does things differently. Well, here's my follow-up to it, showing everybody's doing good. This rabbit wasn't in that video. She's actually on the other side of my cages, so I didn't put her in it because she didn't put nothing in her box either. But check this out. She's pretty. She did totally awesome. All her babies are good and healthy and no dead ones. We did have one dead one on the other side. It was on the cage floor. I tried to warm it up and it didn't happen. So we'll take a walk over there and get a little bit of filming on there. Here's mama rabbit number one. This is her first litter. She did good. Good looking mama. She not enough hair for my taste, but they should be all right. A bunch of pretty little babies. Here's the next one. She did good. She's the one that I think pulled the most for her. Look at all those little white ones in there. All a bunch of little baby white rabbits. Let's cover them back up. She's looking good. She's eating good. And this is the mama that had the baby that was on the cage right here on the deal. She probably got pulled out in nursing because these were probably born last night. But all the rest of them are looking good. She did a really good job with them. And this is awesome. That's what they showed. They all did good. They all had a bunch of healthy babies. I only had one loss out of all of them. I'm not gonna do a full count. It's one of those things. Don't count your chickens where they hatch because they can get pulled out, and if they get pulled out, the mama usually stomps on them. It's not a pretty thing, but it happens. It's part of any cattle rancher farming. There's always something that's going to disappoint you. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you would like more of this kind of content, let me know. And I'll do some more on cage setups, water setups. I might even do a whole video on rebuilding because this cage is old. It's probably 15, 20 years old. So it needs to go. It's had it. So see you in the next one.